But where do we really come from? You might think this is a simple question, but it's one that has puzzled mankind since we first looked up at the stars and wondered if we were alone in the universe. And over the millennia, people have come up with some pretty incredible answers. In today's video, I'm going to try to answer where do humans really come from? But before I continue, just remember the rest of the story. For thousands of years, humans looked up to the sky and crafted stories about gods who created man in their own image. Or maybe it was aliens from another planet who sent astronauts to Earth with advanced technology to help our primitive ancestors develop. Or perhaps human life began in a primordial soup of organic molecules that somehow assembled themselves into the first self-replicating organism. But now we know there's more to the story because science has revealed that amazing truth of how life really did begin on our planet. All humans alive today can trace their ancestry back to a common ancestor, a creature much like us who lived in Africa around 200,000 years ago. This ancestral human had a brain roughly the same size as ours, used tools, hunted animals, and most likely walked upright on two legs. Evidence of our ancestry can be found in our DNA. By comparing the genes of humans from different populations, scientists have been able to piece together our evolutionary history. The results show that all living humans are descended from a small group of ancestors who lived in Africa. This is known as the Out of Africa theory. It suggests that modern humans evolved in Africa and then migrated to other parts of the world, eventually replacing earlier forms of humanity, such as Homo erectus. Of course, the story doesn't end there. Scientists continue to search for the missing links in our ancestry, those crucial pieces of the puzzle that will help us better understand how we came to be. As for the ancient astronauts, gods, and spacefaring apes theories, well, they make for fun science fiction stories, but there's no evidence to support them. Or is there? Some believe that the pyramids of Giza were built by aliens, and that ancient texts like the Bible and the Quran are proof of extraterrestrial contact. Let's move on to an idea that has captured the imagination of many people throughout history. Simulation theory suggests that our reality is not what it appears to be, but rather a computer simulation created by a more advanced civilization. Proponents of this theory believe that we are living in a virtual world that is indistinguishable from the real one. But what evidence do we have for this? Well, the answer seems to lie in the vast expanse of space itself. If there are other intelligent civilizations out there, then it's possible that they have developed the technology to create simulations like ours. But so far, we have not found any definitive proof of alien life. There's also panspermia, the idea that life on Earth originated elsewhere in the universe and was brought here intentionally or accidentally. Perhaps an advanced alien species seeded our planet with life as part of a greater cosmic experiment. Or maybe it was just a lucky accident when a meteor carrying microorganisms from another world crashed into Earth. Again, there's no evidence to support this theory. But it's interesting to consider how life could have arisen from non-living matter on another planet and then traveled to Earth. So, where do we really come from? Science has given us an amazing glimpse into the history of our planet and the evolution of life on Earth. We now know that humans didn't just appear out of nowhere, but rather evolved over millions of years from simple single-cell organisms. We share this planet with countless other species, all of which are connected by the web of life. But the story doesn't end there. As we look up to the stars, we wonder if we are alone in the universe. Are there other planets out there that are teeming with life? Did life on Earth really begin here? Or was it brought here from elsewhere in the cosmos? These questions may never be answered, but the search for answers is what drives our curiosity and pushes us to explore the unknown. Perhaps the greatest mystery of all is not where we came from, but where are we going? What will the future hold for humanity? Will we continue to evolve or will we face extinction? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Novasphere for more explorations into humanity's mysteries.